If you're in sales leadership, you know that allocating resources across your pipeline is one of the most controversial and difficult tasks. Everyone has an opinion, but without data, it's just guesswork. In this video, I'll explain how OptimizeAllocation uses quantitative analysis to take the guesswork out of resource allocation so you can maximize conversions and minimize risks. Let's start with why this problem exists. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. In the sales industry, conversion rates vary across pipeline stages, and deal values change over time. Generic tools like spreadsheets become complex and brittle, unable to adapt to real-time changes. Sales leaders often rely on historical splits or gut feel, which can lead to over-investing in low-conversion stages or under-supporting critical deal phases. This misallocation costs companies revenue and increases risk. Now, let's dive into the technical method behind OptimizeAllocation. At its core, it uses a mathematical model that considers multiple variables: conversion rates per stage, deal values, resource constraints, and risk factors. The key concept is dynamic optimization, which continuously recalculates the optimal allocation as new data comes in. This is different from static models that assume fixed rates. By incorporating probability distributions in sensitivity analysis, OptimizeAllocation provides recommendations that are both robust and adaptable. So, what does the software actually do? OptimizeAllocation ingests data from your CRM and other sales tools to establish baselines. It then runs calculations to recommend where to allocate sales reps, budget, and time across pipeline segments. The system includes an audit trail for compliance, showing how recommendations are derived. You can also perform scenario modeling to test different strategies, like what happens if conversion rates drop in a particular stage or if you add more resources. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Imagine a sales pipeline with 3 segments: lead generation, qualification, and closing. Suppose the conversion rate from lead to qualification is 20%, from qualification to closing is 50%, and the average deal value is $10,000. With limited sales reps, OptimizeAllocation might recommend shifting more reps to the qualification stage because it has the highest leverage on overall conversion. By following this recommendation, you could see a measurable increase in total revenue without adding more resources. When it comes to compliance and reporting, OptimizeAllocation generates clear, readable reports for stakeholders. These reports explain the rationale behind allocations, align with regulatory requirements, and provide transparency. This makes it easy to justify decisions to management and ensure accountability. To summarize, OptimizeAllocation gives sales leaders a data-driven way to allocate resources, boosting conversion rates and reducing risks. It replaces guesswork with science, adapts to real-time changes, and provides actionable insights. If you want to learn more,